Hello friends and hello students. In this session we learn the MDA form in C#.NET window-based application, or we can say that in project. So let us start. I first share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better way my video lecture. And if you not watch my previous two video lecture for project like flush screen and logging form in C#.NET window based application, so first you can watch these two video lecture and then attend this third video lecture in project. So that is a I can give the guidance of project, and as well as we have to develop the step by step how to develop your and what is a flow in your project. Like first is a flush screen, then we can develop the user logging form, and then we can here third, that is a MDI form design. So I just open project, and that's I select the E drive, and that here CS underscore project is there, and that Honda underscore showroom, and that our project file just take some time. And in your mind we can say that what is a MDI. So that full form is a multi-document interface, and SDI is even single document interface. So MDI means we can take a number of form to collection, and that is our starting the project. First start we can flush screen, welcome screen to our project, and then we can start the user login form, and then MDI is appear, and then MDI control to all sub that like parent and child. So MDI is a parent and that sub form. So MDI and SDI we can say that. So MDI is a multi-document interface and SDI means single document interface. So let us start. First, if you not watch, I say again to watch my two previous videos, then and then you can understand better way MDI designing. So because there is a two, that is a continuous sequence, so you cannot flow maintain in video series of that project in C# window based application. So you cannot get perfect knowledge to your project. So okay, now I can start, and here first I run this over that is first I can say that that is a flush screen design. Yes. So in my first video lecture in project welcome, or we can say that flush screen, that designing and that coding, and then that is a logging form. And now in this session we can MDI, that is a we can take just form, but we can design in this video lecture to MDI form design. So let us take first, I run this our project and start how it's work. So here progress bar is moved, and you can see now is login form open. Here we can give username and password. So I remember my password and username Ram, and our company name, that is a Honda. So H is capital and just OK. Is successfully, and yes, so that MDI form open. Okay, so that is a flow. Now we can in this video lecture prepare the MDI form design, how many, but you can perfect your information gathering, analysis, data flow diagram, data dictionary, normalization, all is well. Then we can take the MDI form, how many possibility in your project, that how many form. So I just give idea to how step by step you can develop your project. So here we take this MDA form design, but in logging design, I here first change how to, because that is a also we can change in MDA. So here that is a image. I just first take one simple example to design. I just change this image to here, and you can take your project related image from internet or your form institute organizing, give that permission of if that image is already in there. So now here local and import, and here I select the go in yes, my image folder in our main folder, and that is some images we can here I select all image, so that is some is extension is different, so we can select all image, so that is very important. Now all images appear here, and we can take like this bike, so how it changed to your, that is a picture box. Okay, so we can select and yes, okay, so that is appear to here and just okay click, so here our image is changed. Same way here I just change the like our logging, that image is also we have to change. If you not take this image, then you can download 2 or 3 and perfect matching according to your requirement. Like here I take this image, no problem. So let us check how it's difference. Yes, so here we can decrease some size. Okay, and then you can take to here and also increase that yes, no require. So there is a binding to multiple image, and that image we can sum that width compressed to according to, but that tire is truncated, so we cannot take the risk by just according to. So that is a design part, how to adjust your picture box to according to your design. So that is a some simple we have to change. We can also now require to, if just control Z, so your like previously or images appear, so we can look this image, we can perfect or not, we can run and then we can get idea. So now our MDI form design is started. I get just how to change your image, that is very simple point. Okay, now we can take in toolbox, and that is our main part in this, and that is a menu. So we can take in MDA menu. Like in ASP.NET, there is a menu, and multi is the best combination of programs. Same way we can MDA, in that form we can take the menu, and then appropriate form that is open, that we can take that memory allocation of that form, and that that object.show method is there, so that form is open. So here we can take the menu, and that is a appear is tray bar, and just you have to select. So here our first start, like we can take the master, I can already design master. Then if you give the here second, that is our, we can define main menu, and then we can give that parents also in that child, or we can say that leaf. Okay, so here we can give the transaction. So I just give the transaction, yes, and then we can take the report, third step. Okay, so yes, the report is there. Then fourth, we can say that utility. Uh, okay, so utility is there. Then we can give like about about us. Yes, there is about us, and last, if we also possible that we can provide the help to according to your requirement, and last we can take the exit. So that is some sample, and some student taking the like about us, and then here second time about us, and then that click and that form open. So that is not required. Same way in like exit, that can give the like here exit, and here that write the quit, and then right that click event, that menu, that form is means exit from MDA. So that is not necessary, directly hit this menu click event, and that we can come out in the MDA form. So now we can take here our, according to our this project on the showroom inventory management, you can define in your requirement, that is just sample how to MDA form is designed. So you cannot directly take this menu to your project, because that is a sample, just how many possible like combination of almost all possible according to this project. And that is our title, we can check our title. So here first our design, and that is a header panel. And that panel we can define the inventory management system for Honda showroom. So in your project like management system or admission process or hotel management, whatever that is, you can collect your information gathering and complete your analysis part, and then data flow and data dictionary, and then come the MDA. You can take step by step, go ahead in your project, not you can show speed and slow means maintain your speed to develop your project. So now we can come back to MDI, and that is our master transaction. Also, we can take here, just select, and that property here we can see that is our property. And also I select this, and here that tax, all these thing is here. And here we can also, according to our requirement, we can change some, like alignment is private, and that all enable is true, yes, size is auto, size is true. Then text is a master, you can also change to here. And also text alignment, direction, horizontal, vertical, you can take. That is just I give all idea. And that is a font size we have to change, that's here. So there is very small size of font. So by default we can 9 is there. So here also we can take like bold if possible, if you regular use, so there is no problem. But in main you can provide the bold, so that is a look better. And let us check that. Okay, so that is a master. So that is a main. Okay, so according to your requirement, you can change that font size. Okay, and if any combination of color, that in you can also change. So here we can, if give this all font and that is bold, we can change according to our main, that is a root, and then, or we can say that parent, and then its children, and then live, if no any child, that is known as a live menu. So there is a master, and that same way we can change to our font as same as previous. So here we can also give the bold, if you regular use, there is no problem. Okay, and then here I think 16 we can take the size, so yes. And then we can change to according to that report, also same as previous. So bold and 16 size. And you can also change the font type, but here we can define regular. And now that is utility, yes. So according to your requirement, you can change to font style, size, and face. You can font. So that is your requirement. So here we can give the fixed 16 size, and font style is bold. And also you can font type also you can change to your requirement. And last two is there now. So here you can take like bold and 16. Okay, okay, and last is exit. So here last time we have to select bold and 16. Okay, now we can give that parents, that is a Honda showroom. So first we can say that company is not possible in this, because company, whenever like your shop or like some inventory management for like with retailers, so at that time you can provide the company selling for different type of item. But here fixed the that showroom is a Honda showroom. If all bike that sell, that time you can also take the company. So here we can directly take the model, model master. Some student here also write the master, model master. There is no problem. You can write also here. There is no problem. But here is a main is a master, so we can understand easily that is a master form. So here you can give, there is no problem, and here you cannot give, there is no problem. So we can take, but there is accordingly this that chain. So we can decrease some size, that is very large we can see that very large. And here we can first give this normal size, so that is a take. So after some experience of testing, you can get the idea how that is better or not. So you can take some time testing and then apply to your own. So here automatically that size is increased according to the parents master, and then model master is there. So here we can take the, if regular is there is no problem. Okay, let us check. Yes. So all R is a first we can take that time taking all the size. So we can take this normal, and that's so according to all menu is a same font size and type. So here we can take this, and because we have to change all these things, so we can no risk of that, just I change of the our parent according to the. So here that is require bold, but we can decrease some size, so that is look better. Okay, now that is ready. Okay, not change. You can also give the font color, that is possible. Here is a color is there. So according to your, here black is a default. So if not take black font, so you can take some other font color. So here so many possibility in custom color is there. Okay, also you can require, like I just give one for your reference. So I select like here red, so that is a red. So that is just testing. Okay, so after that is a model master, and that if possible that child also, but there is no require here. And I give again suggestion, you can here master, you cannot take here master, there is no problem, but you can take, there is no problem. So here we can take, so you can get idea. So here next is a customer master. So both we have to look after giving the master word and not giving the master word. So that is according to change. Then we can take the, like if that is a dealer is there in your requirement, so you can first gather the information, is dealer is there not. Okay, so now dealer is appear, and then you can take like employee, or you can say that worker master. So also possible, because that is a Honda showroom, so that employee we can say that. And then last we can service master. Okay, so here I just, so look here, so our menu is a very large size in child, so you cannot give this master word, that is a only simple single word is there. So we can take some time after running our page, and that we can how it's look it proper or not, according to require our we have to change. Okay, now we can take transaction, that all I possible, like that some, if dealer is not, we can remove that. Initially we have to give, if your information collection that is not possible to in your showroom, take not dealer, directly sell that bike and uh, scooter, so that is a, you cannot remove this only, that is very easy. You can just select, and here I just here delete option is there, so we can just remove. Okay, so here we can take as it is. Now here take some transaction, so master means fix, and your data flow according to the master, that master all the form taking in the transaction. So that time you can define your relationship diagram. uh, so relationship data flow diagram you have to design, then you can get idea which form data is transferred for which form. So here we can take the, like purchase, first we can purchase to company. So here we can give the purchase detail. Okay, that is now according to this, that is automatically changed. And then if your in previous my first video lecture, I can give the suggestion, if your showroom is a some transportation damage your bike or scooter, so that you can replace or some return. So that is return policy is there not, you can get information from your showroom. That is just example Honda showroom, any TVS showroom or any tractor, that is agency, whatever. So, and also management, you can possible that according some menu is changed, but remaining all like report, utility, about us, help, exit, that are all same. That is two is changed, like entry, we can say that like management, doctor, if that word in the hotel is, if hotel is management system, so that is room master, that is, so that is according to your requirement. Here, if that is a, if purchase policy is there, we can say that purchase return. Okay, so that is your requirement, and directly double click, so that menu we cannot again open, double click just, and then sell. So sales details, we can say that, or some write the spelling SEL, SELL. Okay, and here sales, if you can also return purchase showroom, if your customer, you can take return in bike if any warranty or that is sometime, so you can also. And some student taking the as a separate menu as a stock, so here also possible you can take in between transaction and report stock is. So here I just take here directly stock, so you can also take the stock in the separate menu, so that is possibility. But here we can take in transaction form directly stock, so your menu is no large size in that here is a one possibility is there. So sometime there is requirement, you can take here in between transaction and report, and some student taking the purchase, here take the detail and then purchase and sell, and then sell here, right, and then that's detail and return, that type of also possible. But we can say that transaction means your goods or your like items or product you can purchase and sell, that is called transaction form. So master is a fix, okay, and transaction. Okay, so now is ready. And report, there is, you can two way, you can take directly like here our starting to this master model master, and directly we have to take some student taking first master and transaction and then according, and then that is also possible. There are two way, I first show you one way. So we can take here like master, okay, and then that master, that sub menu here take like we can say that like master, and that report name giving the like master, or we can say that model, and that model ID wise, that is some type, right, this type of ID wise. Or you can get like master and then that form open and that ID like name and then all, that time also one form is open. So we can take here like model report, directly say that report, yes. So that is possibility. And you can not take this master word and directly that to all form like here model, customer, dealer, employee, and service, taking to the here report directly uh, model report, okay, and then you can click that form is open, that ID wise, name wise, and all, there are three. And that time you can take the combo box, ID wise, name wise, you can search also take the combo box. And in report, in search option, there we can take the name by search, that time we can use the in master form, like here we can say that customer master is there, so customer master, that form we can take the search operation, that time we can take the text box. But we can report is a fix, so that time in the name field we can also use the combo box, so that is requirement. So here we can also possible give all like model, then after customer, and you can take also directly not use this master word and directly take model master report. That is also possible in between here. You can show that your so large like model master report. So that is like look like this. So now is a model master report. So also possibility. So there are two way according to your requirement, or you can run and see your MDA form and how it's better. So that design you can, after last you can final. Some testing is needed in the MDA form designing. So now we can give here like customer master. If you provide uh, like model master report, and we can also take customer master report directly, like you can say that model report, not use word master. So that is you cannot use in any place. Okay, so that is also possibility. Okay, now here we can take, I think that is a customer then dealer. So you can give your requirement. So here we can give the customer, model, and then dealer, master, and then we can check at runtime which designing is proper to our requirement. So now you can understand very well. Yes, now is we can give employee, master report, and last that is we can say that service master report. Okay. So I think ready. So that is our master, and same way you can take here transaction. So if you use the master and transaction word in the report, so you can separate, otherwise all in the one place. That is also a possibility. Okay, and here we can say that like purchase detail and report. What if you use everywhere, or you can use, if you not use report word to any place, so you cannot use in the sub menu. In that is a report, that is a main root menu, but in transaction and then detail we can take, like here purchase detail report, directly you can write purchase detail, not use this report because there is a report root is there. And purchase return, we can say that. So that is we can report. So purchase return report, I just click directly, so that is appear. And then sell, I now some speed, because there you can get idea how to design MDA, because we can also take some coding. And sales, you can say that return, yes, and that the report, yes, that report, yes, yes, here some spelling report. So here S is not yet REPORT, yes, that now is okay. And last is a, we can say that stock. So stock report, yes, okay. So that is ready. Now we can take utility, and that is we take like some student getting the question, what is a utility? So that time we can use like in your projects, here is a inventory, so you can take like some note to order giving your showroom to that model is a sell all, so there is no any stock, so there is a not notepad is required, so we can say that notepad, yes, that and some we can take like calci, so we have to calculation some, so we can say that calculator is required. And then our login page, we can change password if provide this facility. So utility means you can provide your facility requirement, like Internet Explorer, your in if you are required, you are taking one website, you have to maintain your branch or company or in your institute, that project you can handle. That time you can also use the like a website give the name, or directly that website is open. So utility means all combination used to your requirement. Here we can use like notepad, wordpad if you require, wordpress is excel sheet if your requirement, so you can give according to your project title. That is a utility. So Notepad, Kelsey, and chain password. You can use only 3. And here I can previously say here you cannot about us in sub menu. Directly click, and that if about us you have to take 2 partners separate profile, give the idea, or some there are 2 type of about us. From your institution, like here is a Honda, so that history some give that part, and about us that meaning you can developer, so to your member you can also give information. So here you can part uh, about our firm, or about us means ourselves. So that is also possibility. So here I just about us, you can also provide 2 parts like form about us, that uh, institute organization or that management any company, or that is profile, or we can say that some history part, and that your team member, team developer, to yourself you can give idea what is your qualification, whatever. And then help is some is not required, but you can also give master transaction, how many forms and which form with the operation we have to, or what is there like and some like your profile means project definition, like Honda showroom is a inventory management, purchase and selling is the best way, and there is a very good reputation in the market, some history on. So it is also, and some, and then also you can take like master and that help how it's work, master how many form, how its flow is passed each form, that type of help you have to take. And exit you have to know, and like I just click, first we can take coding exit, so directly here we click. Okay, so according to our requirement, that here you can look here that click event is open. So here we can give are you sure to quit. So like we can in our logging form we can use the exit coding, same we here required to exit. So here we can first take if condition, and like message box class we have to use, and show is a method. Now our coding is start MDA form, so that we can take here, like here we can give uh, message, are you sure to exit from MDA form. So there is a form, okay, and from that is 2 word, and here we can say that like exit message header, that is a second argument. I already give idea, so I full screen so you can get idea. And now that is a how many buttons, so message box buttons, that class is there, and that we can take yes no or okay cancel. So here we can give yes, and then next fourth argument we can taking the icons. So message box icon class is there, and that is a, here we can give warning. So we can take like information, warning, question, so many properties there. But here exit, so we can give the warning. And next you have to take here uh, directly give equal sign and system, that is our main assembly or package, we can say that. And then windows is there sub, and then forms, so we can say that forms, yes. And then dialogues, result dialogues class is there, so yes. So here we can use the yes dialogue. So dialog result class is there, and that also property hold all combination of this yes no button, yes no cancel, you can take that cancel is there, abort, ignore, no. So here we can say that yes, and then parenthesis of if. So if user press yes, then we can dispose means that is come out from, dispose means come out from, that is method. So that we can take in exit button click event directly. So I can say here you can take also some student take here quit and then click event that write this code. So you can directly this uh, menu, you can take that event directly. And now we can take here, I just font color change, you can, if you suitable, so you can provide all this. Here we can take first employee, so I just double click and then we can take one form, and I just here it's not possible file menu, but here in our project website uh, desktop folder is there. So our project folder, I just right click and here add option is there, and there window form is there. So you can take one web's uh, project folder, take number of window form. So here we can take like we can prefix like EMP master. So you can get idea, or you can write full. So there is no problem. So here you can set employee underscore uh, master. So you can get, or EMP just prefix is EMP. So employee master. Okay, so that is we can add, and then my next upcoming video lecture we can take that designing, and then after we can take coding. So we can start employee or worker, there is no problem, and like customer is there, so we can take one sample, so you can identify all master coding is the same way, there is no change. But transaction you can change, because master data transfer to the transaction and then go in the stock, and then your report is prepared. So that is a flow and sequence. So here you can check the name if any spelling or typing mistake. So yes, no change, yes, employees underscore master. So you can add that time, you can look your that page if there is any problem, or so we can here just increase that width and size. We can designing in this net my upcoming video lecture. And now I just open this MDI form, and how it's open, I just click in the runtime, and that we can take. So I can take one window form. So here we can that class, that form name is a class here in our library. So we can take that form name, and EM, that is employee master, that is object provide the memory allocation. And then same way you can open or your master and transaction report file, utility about us, that help and exit. So exit is just we can define first coding. So EM is a now object, because we can provide the memory allocation and show. So there is a just here we can uh, and not hide it is, because hide is a like a first screen you have to hide, a login form you have to hide, but that is here not possible, because that is MDI form. So you can uh, again remain same page MDI form. So after you can work and exit from this form. So again MDI is a open, not close. So that is sequence. So you can understand your project. So I just save, and also one change here our design, and I just select this main our form, and that we can take some background image. So here first you can download to your requirement image from internet or your form institute, if you give that image permission, or directly that software if they maintain, they take from your source, that getting the information also possibility. Okay, so here a background color is there, if you provide take color only, that is no problem. You can also give font color. Here we can take some example like master, we can give the red color. So all, if you look better with any color combination, so you give all color that same, I just give one idea. And also here there are two possibility, background color and background image. We can take the image, so you can take first here local resource and import. So our that is image folder already we can open. So I can show an image from taking internet, also our source. So here we can say that that is a background image. So here I just prefix your image name, give proper way. So here there are 5 possibility like MDI image 1 2 3 4 5, that is also six possibilities there. So we can take some light, because our main goal is we just take one image, but our menu is not hidden, that so fast image you have to not select. That is my advice. So here we can take some light image. So let us first testing. There is only testing. We can open this first image and let us look how it's look. So there is a look like this. So there is now your MDA is ready, and just I save first. That is first testing. We can change our requirement according to our requirement. We can change if that is a perfect image to our requirement. So we can take this image. If that is not required to, we can run time. We have to check. Let us. I run this. So that is our first. After we can all testing, we can directly master coding. That time we can open directly this page also possibility. MDA, or you can say that master. So not start first two, because that we can time focus on the coding. So directly open the like employee master and we can start coding and testing. Otherwise what happen, your all flows starting the flush screen, then logging form, then MDA is open, then so first how to change, that is a question to your mind. So I give also one hint for how it's possible. So here we can use correct all time, we can get the username password, but all complete form that you can start in your project or the testing you can A to Z. But when you can start your coding, that time directly that form you can open, and that is testing, because their time consuming method is there. But all complete, that time there is no problem. So here you can give the Honda, that is our password, and just okay. Yeah, I give here, if here provide no, there is no open MDA form. So yes, now our MDA form is open. And then let us take, I here open, yes. So some, that is a board is very fast. So we can change some here also sub, that is a like root, that parent and then children, we can say that. So that is look like better. So we can take these two. So we can separate. Some student takes directly all the list here, separate all, not getting the submen. So what that time that find out that report, which report is where placed. So that is some better way you can give at the partition too, and then sub menu open. So that is look better and understand better, and searching is better directly. Like we can say that model master. What otherwise what happen, all master and transaction or mix up in this report menu. So you can directly not take search or take some time. So that is problem. And here utility, and here we can give exit directly in this click event. Let us check our employee master we have to take first. So directly you can, yes, our employee master is open. So that is same way you can open. And here that all we can designing, and that exit, we can exit that MDA is open. So that is come back to the our MDA form. So we cannot close our MDA form, just close this form. At that place, there is no, we can take that designing or exit button is there. So I close in that. So our MDA is open. And now if your requirement is finished, then we can give, are you sure to exit from MDA form? Yes or no. If you provide yes, so you can come out. And if you no, I just give no. So there is not exit. Okay. And now we can take second time. Yes, that is a, here our message. There are four property we can use. That is a message, and that is a heading, that is a icon. So, and that is button, yes, no. You can okay, cancel. So there are four argument we have to pass in the message box show method. So show method is a overloaded. There are four value pass. First our message, then our title, then our button, and then logo. So there are four value combination of this message. Yes. So that is a come out. So now I stop debugging, and let us check some image we have to change. Testing one we have to provide, and now we can provide some second testing. So here we can give according to our MDA. So let us take the simple background white. So we can, yes, there are two or three possibility. That is also taking like just first that blue. So how it look? Yes, that is a, I think best, because our company logo is there. Some background color is suitable. So let us check at a runtime. So how it's look. So we can take a decision that is fix our MDI image or not. So you can download 4 or 5 testing, then you can get the idea. Okay, so here I just directly how we can take open this form. I just cancel. Here is also okay and cancel. Yes, okay. And if directly I MDA open for testing, like I testing 5 times, 5 image I replace one by one. So what we can that our every project folder one unique file, and that is a program.cs file is there, and here our application.run, and we can change. Here is a welcome screen directly run. So here you can change to your requirement. So our form is a MDI. So directly that is a list out in this library, and here we can that constructor we have to call. So I just save an F5 run to this directly MDA form is open, not taking A to Z. So whenever you can testing time, that you can take that form directly open. Otherwise what happen, your time is so many consumed to your development of project. So project is a within a 3 or 4 month is time, so you can be careful, so not consume your time. So that is my guidance of. So yes, that is also look better. And also we can open here, we take only one, you can according to same coding here employee. And next my video I take this MDI design, that master employee master design, and then coding we have to start. One master page I give the idea of coding to A to Z, like insert, update, delete, search, all operation in grid data grid view. And then we can take transactions, take one form, and then we can take reports. So you can prepare all yourself to project very easily manner. Okay, so that is also better. And I just yes. So now last testing, after that you can take to yourself. Just I third time take image, and we can testing our image background. So MD is a main form, so that is a perfect lookup to design. So here there are two choice. So here I use this Activa. So let us, that is a white. So let us check background is white, and that is also white. So that is a not look better directly. We can say that here. So and takes that bike, that is also white background. That bike is okay. So there are two possibility, that and that. That is some order is reverse. Okay. So first let us check for image and just okay. Okay, yes, that looks some better. Let us check directly, save and run. So yes, but white background is not suitable. So some light, dull, look like dull our MDA form design. So I just testing, and we can final to set our background to. After that we cannot change our image. So we can fix choice either one or two, that is better. So I can, that is a better blue. There are two blue, but here our company icon logo is there, so we can select also use that possibility. I just open and now final. So I just open, and how to further you can take here your welcome screen. So just here remove and take welcome, and just parenthesis that constructor. So I save, and now we can start first to A to Z. So that after testing you can take your first welcome screen, that is a flush screen or welcome screen. Then your login form, give the username. So your testing is complete, then you can check A to Z your process, that is perfect work or not. And here I click OK. Successfully, yes, that is a look better. And if you also perfect idea in Photoshop and like paint, so you can like here that you can say that some bike is a truncate, so we can also increase our size, that is also a possibility. But there is menu is that only, so you can according to your like that is sufficient. So you can also change your width and height of your image, that is also possibility in MDA form. So when that open, that size is fixed to according to our window. So my Now my upcoming video lecture, I also give that advice or how it possibility MDA form and then SDA. MDA is a, we can say that full form is, you can know, multi-document interface. So that is a multi means there are so many form is there. That is a form. Menu is there, but we can click like employee, that form is open. So that form is called SDA, single document interface, and MDA is a multi-document interface. So that is known as, some student, what is a MDA form? So that is a full form. MDA is a multi-document interface. So many form at that form world. So that is called multi-document interface. And then that single form is a single document. There is no child form. We can say that there is single form. So that is MDA. So we can give the MDA form. That is the main our target to reach that form. So flush screen, then login form, and then MDA, and then that child or that sub, all this operation we taking like here. So I hope you can understand what is a MDA form designing. So many guidance and also possibilities. Here I just main according to your requirement. You can also possibility like, so here you can select your MDA form and look all the property. So you can better ideas like here. I can say that image background color is there, font color is there, font border style, you can, if style provide, so left to right, right to left, according to your, but there is no any child control, directly you can take form. And then text MDA, here our title is there. Okay, so text is there. So allow drop. So all you can step by step property you can use and then get idea. If uh, allocate, and that is false, but we cannot require true. Course validation is true. Okay, then here auto size, that is automatic false, that is master. That width height is there, so you can fix your width height. That is also possibility. And then here our icon is there, that icon is appear to here in our title form. That is fixed. So you can also change, but there is no require. And show icon is true, that capacity and minimum box. Okay, so that is some I can give transparency key, but there is no require to. If your requirement, so you can also change that property, so you can look all property of any form, and that is MDA form. So I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. That is only design session, and then my upcoming video lecture we can SDA or master, employee master, we have to take first design and then we can go in the coding step by step. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update, and thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.